Hey friends, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to take you on a room tour of our DVC Tokelau studio room. All right, we just got to our room. The kids are at the pool, so I want to do a really quick video. So we're at 2941 Tokelau and we're really blown away. So we've got these sliding doors over here. Looks like we've got, what are these from? Peter Pan, the mermaids. And we have a sink, mirror, a tub, and a shower. And look at the really cool colors. I think it's beautiful. Toilet, and this is like a huge bathroom. I don't know if it's showing up, like look at all the floor space. And then we walk over here and then we have another one. Stand-up shower with the rain shower head. Oh my gosh, with a little bench. Perfect, ladies, to shave your legs. Sink, full mirror. Over this way, so this is where we just came in. We have a microwave, a counter, a sink, a mini fridge, and then we just opened this up so it pulls down. So instead of storage for your clothes, which I don't know where we're supposed to put those now, probably the closet, we have a bed and we have a little spot to sit, another mirror, cute orange curtains. I think there's blackout curtains too. We're on the second floor here. There's a pull-out couch that's a bed, another bed, and nightstands. Like, oh, this place is gorgeous, guys. I have wanted to stay here since I was a kid. This is the DVC room, and so it's just really pretty. It looks like we have tiki birds and parrots. Everything's orange and teal. Oh my goodness. It's just so pretty. So this is our balcony. It's overlooking, I think that's the DVC pool. It could be a quiet pool. We haven't explored yet. And a spot to sit. All right, guys, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.